We saved this go-kart frame from the trash. It was missing one wheel and the motor, sprocket, chain, and all the drive accessories.
It's me and James. We're gonna strip the go-kart for the pods. And then we're gonna paint it. We're getting ready to paint it.
What color should we paint it?
A bright color. So it's me. We're gonna start sanding and taking this off, and then we're gonna start painting.
All right, so we just separated the foam fabric from the seat. We had to pull it off. It was stuck on. This wood's pretty old.
Fall.
All right, James.
Yeet.
Yeet. All right, come over here now. You're gonna trace it. You're gonna have one solid side, so we don't have to cut this side. The side is kind of rotten. All right, we'll trace it out. Just do like a square. That. Come around the inside. Mark the holes for the. So this is where the no, the bolts to hold it in. Alright, we'll put it back. Flat edge. Bolt hole. Ready? Now the bottom had a curve going to it, so you're gonna have to cut this one curvy, okay?
Okay. Is that gonna be a problem?
No, it's not gonna be a problem.
What if I do 2 down low? Is that gonna be a problem?
No, we'll just work around it.
Okay.
Alright, so bolt hole. Where's the other bolt hole? Right here?
Yeah.
Bolt hole.
Boom, boom, boom.
Bolt hole. Bolt hole. Bolt hole. Where's the other one? Your butt's right on the camera, dude.
Didn't your mom tell you it's rude to look at people's butts? How very dare you?
Ready?
No.
Pull the trigger. I'll push down and pull the trigger. Ready? Go. Hard, fast. Good job.
Hey, let's change the way.
And
This is
then
the green we picked.
the Slimer green.
We're calling it Slimer.
You're gonna call the go-kart Slimer?
Yeah, because it's kinda from the movie Ghostbusters.
So first we take our washer, put it on all the way at the back, take the wheel, goes on this side. Let's see. Put it all the way back. Now next we take a lug nut, slide the lug nut. Wait, is it supposed to get easy on?
Mm-hmm. Which way do you righty tighty?
I have no idea which way is right, so I'm just gonna get this on. Now it's time to screw that on. So this process is repeated about 2 more times, and we have to keep screwing this tight. The wheel will spin.
We bought a yard of black vinyl from Walmart and we stapled it to the wood, bottom and back frame, and then connected it with bolts to the metal frame of the go-kart.
So part 1 of the go-kart is done. We just need part 2 is going to be the engine, sprocket, chain. We don't know if we're gonna do electric or gas. Gas, probably not. Electric, because gas, we have to pay for that, and we're not gonna go like far away.
So stay tuned for part 2 and help us decide if we're gonna go gas or electric.